And this is the blizzard of 2016. Viewing from my office window in Mohrsville, Pennsylvania. And I think this is awesome. We haven't had this much snow in quite a while. This is supposed to end sometime tomorrow. If it keeps up at this pace through the night into tomorrow, we're going to have a lot of snow. Worse than I don't have to go out in it because I work from home. Governor Wolf has declared a state of emergency in Pennsylvania. So a lot of people are at home. And when you're at home, you can look out and say, oh, how pretty. Okay. Just wanted everybody to see what it's doing out there. Oh, and it's just about 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday, January 23, 2016.